I've had enough. I have had enough. I woke up today, I told myself I'm gonna cut my hair, I'm gonna do it, and that's it. I'm cutting my hair. I don't care what nobody say, I'm gonna do it. And I do have reasons, none that you will actually understand, because nobody thinks I should cut my hair except me. But I'm still gonna do it. Here's what I've done. I detangled my hair. Well, was detangled. I don't know what's going on now. But I'm basically putting it into sections, right? So I have 3 over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing over here. To be 100% honest, part of me is like, you're gonna really regret this. You shouldn't do this, Abby. What the heck, right? But the other part of me is like, you know what? You're gonna look beautiful regardless, you know? It's not like you haven't done this before. So we're just gonna do it. We're gonna do it, and I'm convincing myself that we're just gonna do it. Okay? Okay. I feel like I didn't do these right. I feel like this side is smaller. I'm about to start panicking. Oh yeah, I definitely parted this wrong. All right, let's do this again. Stop judging me!
I'm not judging you, because usually I just flat iron my hair, put it in a ponytail, and chop.
Yeah, because you could do that. My hair, can you imagine if I did that? I'll look like a blob. So I'm going to start up front. I should have got a big comb. Maybe I could do this in 2 sections. Because, okay, we see how this is flat, right? I want it to be a little bit, like, higher. Does that make sense? So if I want it to be angled, I need to cut in an angle.
Yes, and just hold the fuck on.
Maybe I could do it in 2 sections. Cause look, that is unacceptable. Do y'all see this? This is unacceptable. I have no shape. I should go to a professional. It's too late.
She cut it mad short. I was just impressed. Like, they don't use.
I cut.
She just cut it without paying attention. You see this psychopath?
Wait. 1 second.
Wait, like she just start cutting.
1 second, 1 second. Okay, that doesn't look bad.
That doesn't look bad, no.
Okay. And then we continue. It's not that serious, right?
You're gonna from the bottom one and some from the top, and you're gonna comb it up like that and cut.
Okay.
Yes.
I can't see it now.
You're gonna cut wherever that one stops.
I can't see it now.
That's why I said just a little bit. Yes. And then, yes. And then cut up.
It's not working like that for me, Ida. Now I'm really nervous. Okay.
Don't be nervous.
Right, like that.
Yes.
Okay.
You hear that? I hear it too. Better. Yes, much better.
Okay. Okay.
I see brown hair. Yes, she has blonde. No. On my hair? Oh yeah, because all the colors coming out.
I don't know how I'm gonna do the back.
I just told you. Take some from the front still.
From this?
Yes. And then push it forward and chop.
Push it forward.
And chop. What do you think? There's nothing happening. You see it?
Really, what I'm doing is just cutting off bad ends.
And more.
And a little bit more.
That sounds so weird.
Oh, look at it! Okay, now the bottom.
Actually looking good.
Let's see if I can repeat the same thing on the other side. Oh my God, look at the difference. Look at the difference.
Oh my God.
My hair grows back fast though, so it's okay. I cut half of my hair. Even it out?
Yeah. No.
Like this?
Yes. Drop a little bit. Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm going crazy. Oh my God.
Don't cut your hair crazy before you.
Look at that. That shit is hella long compared to the rest.
Look at this. Look.
I can't believe I just witnessed this. I helped you. And I advised you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is significantly longer.
I know. I saw it with your back here.
Okay, so I'm gonna coat a little bit more.
Now,
So here,
Don't freak out. Okay?
she's good. She's good.
thank you, Rosa.
You're welcome.
I'm scared to cut it a little bit more.
Yeah.
But you mean right here?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the only part that's not matching.
Okay? It's not action.
There we go. That's the volume I was looking for. You see that? That makes all the difference in the world. Oh, shoot. Look what coronavirus made me do. Ah! You guys, so straight out of the shower, this is what my hair looks like. There are some areas that kind of like stick out more than others, but my curl definition is kind of different in those areas. My biggest worry was up front. As you guys can see right here, I don't have as much curl definition here, and this is because of all those side swoop ponytails that I would do. But I know that, so I just have to treat this hair a little bit differently when I'm forming the curls or like trying to define them. I didn't continue cutting because then it would be uneven on this side, and these kind of clump up a little bit more because these curls have not been affected as much. But for the most part, I think my cut was successful. I think this is kind of like what I was going for. Maybe in the back I would want to go a little bit lower, but at the same time I have to wait for my hair to dry for me to really know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I'm probably just gonna do a wash and go just to see how it looks in a wash and go style, and then come back and show you guys my results.